and ninth root of 4. Okay, so this is the descending order. Next, if a and b are rational numbers and 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 equals to a plus b root 3, then a plus b the whole square equals to, basically nothing new or nothing difficult, just solve this and rationalize the denominator. So rationalize it, 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. First solve this. So it becomes 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 the whole square, right? And below it is 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3, because we have to rationalize. Rationalize means what? Multiply with the conjugate. Conjugate means what? Same numbers, only sign is different. So it becomes 2 plus root 3 the whole square upon this denominator becomes 2 square minus root 3 square, that is 4 minus 3, that is 1. So it becomes 2 plus root 3 the whole square. Solve this, it becomes 4 a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, 4 plus 4 root 3 plus 3, right, equals to 7 plus 4 root 3. But what is given? 7 plus 4 root 3 means this figure is equals to a plus b root 3. So this 7 plus 4 root 3 is a plus b root 3. So a is what? 7. Equate these two terms. A is 7 and b is 4. Now a plus b the whole square means what? 7 plus 4 the whole square. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 square is 121. That is the required answer. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 6 months. Also remember, these tables, squares, cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.